Hello everybody, Floppy Hat Photos back here again for another one of my 52 new restaurants in 2017. And today's new restaurant is my 52nd. And today's new restaurant is Longhorn Steakhouse. I've been to many different like Roadhouse type steakhouse, Florida Roadhouse, although they're all about the same thing. So I went ahead and basically went there for Karen's father's birthday. That's where he wanted to go. We had a gift certificate actually left over from last Christmas to Olive Garden we never did use. So we ended up getting a chance to use that. Karen got the 6-ounce sirloin, I think it was. Richard got the 10-ounce salmon, and I got the New York strip, which is, I think, probably the best cut of meat for the money. Is definitely a New York strip. It's a great little steak. So had that, had our little salads and stuff. It was fine service, long wait. It's crazy busy. It's around the holidays, of course, it's gonna be busy. So there were some that were telling people an hour and 45-minute wait, and they'd even checked on the app. They didn't realize that there's some problems there. But our server was great. Had food was delicious. I ended the blue cheese salad, so it surprised me. So Karen and Richard both ended up with ranch, and I'm like, I think I got ranch, and Karen's like, no, you got blue cheese, and I'm like, nope, this is ranch. And then she'd been given blue cheese, so we swapped out. I got my blue cheese salad, which is much better than ranch is. So went ahead, had a nice rare steak, turned out well. She had hers medium, which is always a little overcooked for me, but it is what it is. Mine was nice and cool and pink in the middle, which is always so damn delicious and juicy. So had that and some seasoned fries. She had a baked potato that looked really good too. So and the salmon looked well also, but it was just a great little place. Just over packed. It was like I said, the waiting list was way too long. 45 minutes to get a table, which is kind of crazy. I know it's a Friday night and all that good fun stuff, but that knocks out my 52 for the year of new restaurants. We're probably up with another one before the end of the year, but it is what it is. I got my 52 done, and that's what's important. So anyway, I will talk to y'all soon. Have yourself a safe, wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Get out there, set yourself somewhere little goal, eat different places. Don't eat the same 7 restaurants the average American eats at. 7 restaurants every year. They just keep eating the same thing over and over again. Try something new and venture out and enjoy yourself. So have a wonderful day.